Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. 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 May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, and I'm really glad to meet you, not just as a manager, as a lovely person, and loads to learn from you, and have a wonderful day ahead.
Prerna, it's been great working with you, and it'd be great to learn more from you as the time goes on, and happy birthday.
Hey, hi Prerna. As you can see, we have done lots of hard work for our promotion. Oh, for your birthday, sorry. That's just a joke. We all love you a lot. You are an amazing person. You always show that family vibe, which I really love and appreciate. Happy birthday, and would love to grow with you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Prerna. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I hope we continue to have a lot of fun together. Thank you.
Alright, so since Jasmine and Yaz are not comfortable coming in front of camera, so I myself wishing you happy birthday on Jasmine's and Yaz's behalf, and Yaz is already here. Just move your lips, and I'll do my voice over. Just move your lips.
Hi boss, happy birthday. Thank you so much for being awesome. I know we come to you for all our questions, so thank you for being our Google. Have a great day.
Thank you, Yaz. 3, 2, 1, take 58.
58?
Okay, take 1. 3, 2, 1, take 1. Okay, we'll do it like this.
Okay.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi, darling.
How are you doing?
Great.
Do you know what day it is?
Yes.
So it's Prerna's birthday.
Yeah.
Do you have any message for her?
Yes.
What? Can you look into that camera?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Prerna, happy birthday.
Wow, that was. And, okay, tell me.
It seems like Prerna don't know her birthday.
Okay, tell me one good thing about Prerna.
Prerna, you are great. Prerna, you are great. Prerna, you are great, boss.
Alright, now next is Pawan. You wanna do it like this?
Yes, this one is fun. Pawan, come.
Come.
This one is fun.
Happy birthday, Prerna. Thank you so much for all the support that you extend towards team and myself. Have a great day. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.